what about free versus paid advice? Now, a lot of people, there is some free business advice, isn't there? There is a lot of free seminars. You can get anything online these days. But let's think about it. If you attend, say, 5 to 10 free seminars, and I've done all of this myself, I go there, sit for hours and hours, sometimes commute for hours, sit there, take loads of notes, go home, and then what happens? Nothing. Maybe 1 or 2 things, but that excitement, we looked at failure cycle, that excitement dies down again. And then, oh, well, I don't have time now. But actually, if you get really good quality coaching or advice, you have accelerated learning. And that's what we do at DiscoverChange, is we deliver intense workshop. It's these intense workshops and support sessions that help you put the right things in place right now, not next month, next week, here and there and everywhere, where it's all lost momentum. And there's immediate results and there's actually feedback. A lot of the time, or every single time, if you look at any free business advice, nobody's ever going to look at your plans in detail, because that's just not the way it goes. And you will have to spend enormous amount of time yourself on your own, researching and trying a lot of stuff. And it can be really demotivating. But that wasn't for me, because for me, it was all about how quickly I wanted results. So are you ready for results now? Are you ready to do what it takes to achieve your success right now? And to start progressing right now? Because I was sick and tired. I was sick and tired of the life I had. I wasn't getting the freedom and enjoyment I wanted. And now when I wake up in the morning and I can think, seriously, my life is such an exciting adventure. I've set my life up in a way that I have wanted to. And that is a way to wake up in the morning. But therefore, we cannot have the employee mindset anymore. We must be always solution focused. Don't think like an employee. Don't think what could go wrong. Oh my God, what if it's too risky? What would they say? Don't give a shit about what other people say. It's not about them. It's what you want, and you going after your goals and dreams